Joining us now for the conversation is the DGP of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Magesh Kumar Agarwal. Sir, today the Singapen Special Task Force has been launched by the state government. What is the objective of this force?
As you are aware that safety of women and children is the primary objective of Tamil Nadu government. So taking a step forward in this, Honorable Chief Minister on the day of taking over of the government announced that special force will be created for the safety of the women. And today we have launched Singapen Special Force for the protection and safety of the women and children in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Sir, there are also many allegations about women's safety and drug menace in the past 1 month ever since this government took charge. As the DGP of the state, what is your response to those allegations coming in from political parties specifically?
There have been incidents. Any incident happening in the state of Tamil Nadu is an issue of concern for us. We are reviewing that, and as I mentioned in my vote of thanks also, it is the collective responsibility of the entire society to create a safe atmosphere for the women and children. This Singapen Special Force will create an atmosphere where we will involve all the stakeholders and ensure safety of the women. Thank you.
Thank you. That is Mr. Magesh Kumar Agarwal, the DGP of the state, talking to Times Now exclusively, and he is in fact outlining the objective of this Singapen Special Task Force, and he is also telling that in the coming days the state government will ensure not even a single incident of crime takes place, especially against women. That is the assurance coming in from the DGP here. Dharni with Times Now with Jay Prakash from Chennai.